Hey guys, today we have a cab high fiberglass Leer 100R series. It's the 09 to 18 Ram with the 5.7 bed, and the 19 to 24 Ram Classic with the 5.7 bed, classic body style. It's in pretty good shape. It has some very minor issues. You can see a small little scuff right there. The top edge looks good. Looks all good all the way through here. Don't see any problems here. Down here, the front edge looks good. Has a little bit of chips here on the bottom edge that touched it up. You see right there, the bottom edge is kind of touched up. Looks like it might have had a little scratch there, touched up there. A couple right there. That's really not too bad. That was probably the worst we just went past. Bottom edge looks good all the way through here. Get to right here, you got some more chips right there on the bottom edge. But that's it. Does have the double T-handle side cargo door, so it opens up. Allows access into the truck bed, so you can put your gear and camping gear and tools, what have you, in there. Close that back up, latch that down, lock that. It has keys on it. We put this one here, we put all new locks in it, so locks are brand new. And this one, sliding front window on the front. Had some paint rub right here where it rubbed the cab probably, and touched that up. Top and the top edge look good through here. No problems through there. Got a little bit of a scratch right there, and then same thing, we had some rubbing right there, and we can touch that up as well. Bottom edge looks good all the way through here. So it does have the sliding window, so this slides open, allows access into the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. Then you can slide that back shut, seal that back up again. Side looks like it has a little bit of a, oh, that's just dirt. Okay, so it has some dirt on the bottom. Bottom edge looks good. The front side here looks good. The top edge on this side looks really good. Not seeing anything wrong with it on this side. Down through here, looks good. Got a little bit of a nick right here above the Leer logo there. Bottom edge through here looks really nice. All the way down through here. Looks like we got a small chip right there. Maybe a little scratch. Yeah, a little bit of a scratch right there, or a scuff. That's really about it. Bottom edge looks good. This side, you got the double T handle. Side cargo door as well. Opens up, allows access in to the cap from the cab. And from the cap, that was access from outside. Holy crap! Allows access to inside the bed from outside here. Single T handle locking rear door, frameless locking rear door. Backside looks good. A small little, I don't know, that feels like maybe just tree sap. That's something that's on the thing. Looks good down through here. Small little scuff we looked at there earlier. There's a little bit of a scratch on the door skirt. Not a big deal. Also, replaced this lock's brand new as well, so we just put a new lock on this one as well. Inside's all bare fiberglass. Side cargo doors, sliding window, same thing. Serial number. It's a 100XR 5.7 Dodge Ram 09, so 09 to 18, 5.7 bed. There's a serial number. It is PAU is the color on that. Looks like, oh, there's the keys for it. And it does have a dome light. Whether they work or not, I don't know. We don't check any electrical on these. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass Leer 100 XR. Fits a 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram. Truck 1500 with the 5.7 bed. Also fits the 19, 23, 24 Ram Classic 1500 with the 5.7 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, those can all be purchased from us through our website. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, something maybe color match, or looking for a certain truck style, cap style, you'll want to subscribe below. We upload to YouTube and our website as soon as the inventory comes in. So you subscribe below, you'll keep up to date on what's coming in when we get them. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.